halfway part.
These damn farts. Hold on, wait for it. Knew one would come. Knew it. Knew it! Just won't stop. Won't stop. Someone save me. Harold. Trip. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just doesn't stop. So as it stands right now, there's been a lot of that going on. Amount of fiber, right? It's not like I didn't time that or anything. Awkward. Those savage farts again. No. I don't know where that came from. Damn! Probably oatmeal earlier. Savage. Whoa. That fiber intake. Oh gosh, man, I love my digestive system sometimes. So this is gonna be pretty interesting. Yep, definitely gonna be interesting. Timed it perfectly, yes! Oh, and the farts have been real, so real. Oh, and farts, forgot about the cons for that. So, fiber is real. If you guys want potato chips quick and delicious, you gotta make them this way. Not that way. Let's make some potato chips.
They say milk does a body good. Maybe not in this case.
Usually. It's just been killing me. That was pretty fucking awesome, not gonna lie. I just farted on camera. Woo! Excuse me. Eating as much as I can possibly can. I'm just getting my ice cream now. Pop-Tart, apple. Oh, excuse me. Go ahead over. Woo! And now, wait. Exactly. I don't know about these. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Keep in mind, I live in America. Exactly. You see a lot of, you hear a lot of those in America. Excuse me. It happens, guys. Just, it can go a little fast sometimes. Excuse me, bless me. Excuse me.